guys, today I have something for you. It's very easy to make. So yeah, this is what you will need. We have 3 potatoes. Yeah, you have to peel them. And then you have green pepper, about 1 large one, or yeah. And then you need half onion, and then an egg. You need some flour. You have salt and black pepper. Yeah. So here I already have my oil preheating at medium heat. So yes guys, let's get to it. The first thing you need to do is to grate your potatoes using a grater. Yeah, so use this side, so you have to grate them. Yeah. Okay guys, so the next thing after grating, you're going to take your clean dish towel and just place it here. Take these potatoes, we're draining them, yeah, because they have a lot of water, see, and then you're going to have to do this, yeah, and then we're going to drain. See, we don't need this water. Okay, so once you've drained them, you're going to take this bowl and just throw them in the, see, they're now dry and nice. Yes, so what you're going to do now is to take your grater again and grate the onion. All right. Be careful, your eyes. Oops. Okay. The onions are in there already. Yeah. So we're just going to get the rest of them. Onions. And then we'll put in our peppers, our green pepper inside. This is so easy to make and very delicious. So we're going to mix this together. And then we'll take our salt, about a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of salt will be fine. Yes. Mix this together. And then we take our pepper, black pepper, see it? Oops. Then we just add in our black pepper, not too much as well. Black pepper, onion and potato, that combination guys, it makes wonders, I'm telling you. And then you take your egg, 1 egg, you put it into your mix. Yes, see, we are making a paste sort of, yeah. And then we take our flour. This is plain flour, guys. We can use bread flour, it's still fine, or corn flour. Don't put too much flour, guys, because you'll be tasting bread instead of the potatoes. It will taste like bread. So yeah. See? It's almost like a paste. Let me add in a little bit of flour. Alright, that should do. Remember, your oil is still heating at medium heat so that they don't burn before they cook. Yeah. So guys, when you have this, we're going to be adding it into the oil. Yes, the hot oil. There you have it. So let's get to it. What you're going to do is to take your spoon and just measure about this much, and you throw it into your hot oil. Yeah. See? That's one. That's two.
Don't play with pride outside.